This is Saugeen Times, and we are out and about on Saturday, May the 4th, 2019. And we are at the Saugeen River at Denny's Dam. And we have all kinds of fishermen. Well, that's assuming they're all men. Fisher people out here today. The rainbow trout are running and the salmon are running. And there are all kinds of visitors here from out of town, which is great to see. The mighty Saugeen is really rolling and the water is very high. And it's not a bad day weather-wise. A little cool, but there is absolutely no wind at all. So it's kind of nice. There are fishermen on both sides of the river. And once again, this is Saugeen Times, and we are out and about on Saturday, May the 4th, 2019. On the mighty Saugeen River that empties into Lake Huron.